Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a stunning YouTube logo using Canva. Whether you're just starting out or looking to give your channel a professional upgrade, this guide will help you do it in just a few minutes. Let's dive right in and transform your channel's visual identity. First things first, head over to the Canva website. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and create one, or simply log in to your existing account. Once you're in, look for the big Create a Design button on the homepage and click it. This is where your creative journey begins. A drop-down menu will appear with several design options. For today's tutorial, we're looking for the logo option. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a blank canvas perfectly sized for creating your YouTube logo. This blank space is your artboard ready for your creative touch. One of the best things about Canva is its massive library of templates. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see a wide range of logo templates catering to different styles and themes. Take some time to browse and find a template that matches your channel's personality. Once you've found a template you love, click on it and it will automatically appear on your canvas. Now comes the fun part, making it uniquely yours. With Canva's drag and drop feature, you can easily modify every element. Change the text to your channel name, adjust colors to fit your brand, or move elements around for a better composition. Don't be afraid to experiment with different fonts, icons, and color schemes until it feels just right. Remember, your logo should reflect the essence of your channel while staying clean and memorable. When you're happy with your design, it's time to save it. Head to the top right corner and click Download. For logos, I recommend choosing PNG because it offers high quality and a transparent background. Perfect for future use on videos, banners, or merchandise. And just like that, you now have a professional-looking YouTube logo ready to make a lasting impression on your audience. With these simple steps, you've created a logo that not only stands out, but also captures your channel's vibe perfectly. Consistency in branding is key, and your new logo is a big step in that direction. Happy designing, and may your YouTube journey be as vibrant and unique as your new logo. Hey everyone!